Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. We have got workbook of SST grade 3 as we have done the two of our subjective questions. So we are going to do question number 3 and onward today. Here, what is the question we have? We have, what is meant by the rotation of the earth? What is meant by the rotation of the earth? The earth moves around its own axis. This movement is called rotation of the earth. Dear students, as you know that earth used to do two kinds of movements. One is revolution and other is rotation. What is revolution? Revolution is, if we have got sun here, then the movement of earth like this is called revolution. What is it doing? It's revolving around the sun. And the other is rotation. If I used to rotate the pencil like this kind of movement is called rotation, in which the pencil is moving around its own axis. Alright, so here we have got the earth moves around its own axis, and this movement is called rotation of the earth. The next question, question number 4. Describe the sun. What is sun? Okay, dear ones, question number 4, describe the sun. What is sun? Sun is a bright star. What is a sun? Sun is a star. It is the central point of our solar system and it's a star. It is made up of very hot gases. That's why it produces heat and light. So it is made up of very hot gases. Third point is, the light of sun is very strong. Yes, in the daytime, as you people must have observed, that we have got a lot of light. Sometimes we don't need even to switch on a bulb. That light is very important for all of us and it's very strong. So the fourth point is, it is important for plants, animals and all living things. As we have studied in our chapters and in previous exercises, that sun is very important for the living things. Without sun we cannot survive. Question number 5 is, describe the moon. As we have described the sun, now we are going to describe the moon. The moon revolves around the sun. As we have seen that earth revolves around the sun, likewise the moon revolves around the earth. So the moon revolves around the earth. The moon has no light of its own. As you have seen the moon in the night time, you can see that moon has got a very beautiful white colored light, but the moon doesn't have its own light. Okay, so on the next page we are going to describe why is it that it just reflects the light of the sun. So moon doesn't have its own light, it used to reflect the light of the sun. There is no air and water on the moon. On the moon we don't have air and water, that is why there is no life on the moon. You people have got it? Very good. Okay, next we have understand the question and answer accordingly. Okay, if the earth were closer to the sun, if our earth is too much close to the sun, what will happen? This temperature would be much hotter, the oceans would dry up, we could not survive, all of above. Well, I think if the earth is too close to the sun, then obviously the sunlight will become too intense and our earth become too hot. All the water sources will dry up and we cannot survive without water in so much heat. So all of these above options are correct. So this is the option that we are going to consider, D, all of the above. The next understanding question is, look at the sequence of the planets and tell which planet is closest in size to the earth. ठीक है, here we have got a picture. like a rough picture of the sequence of planets. Here we have got sun and all the size of all these planets. So if you look closely, which planet is closest in size, in the size which planet is closest to the earth, we can see Venus. Venus is almost the same size as that of earth, so Venus is the correct answer.
On page number 6, we have the project, written project. So the question is, write the ordinal number next to each planet. Here we have planets. We have to write the number on each planet. We have Mercury on the first number, Venus on the second number, third our Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and the eighth one is Neptune. All of you have to write down the ordinal number. Okay, we have to move on the next page on workbook, page number 7. Here are homework for you. You have to answer to these questions. We have question number 1. Dear students, here we have 3 questions. This is homework for you. 3 questions you have to rewrite in this page number 7, which we have already done in the classwork. Thank you so much.